Good evening, everyone. It is June 22nd, 2017. We're doing a quick two-box personal break for Brandon in the YouTube stream. He purchased two personal boxes, one of each year, one of 2016-17 Fleer Showcase Hockey, and one of 15-16 Fleer Showcase Hockey. So, I think we'll go with let's go with 15-16 Fleer Showcase. We'll go Connor McDavid here first. Let's see what kind of heat we can pull out of here, and then we'll go with the next box. You don't know, there's a lot of customers, man, that have just like, we're like, oh, I'm not into hockey, but I'll give it a try, and then they see the value in hockey, and then all of a sudden they just become hockey fans and love the product, because it is really, really nice product. Alright, I'll start it with a dual stream. I mean, Nick K was one of the first ones, actually, one of the first customers that had transferred to hockey, and because he realized it too, that hockey just it does sell very well. Doesn't mean he still doesn't buy with Joe, because he still does, but he knows that the value in hockey is really, really well. And I'm happy that I'm able to break it as well. Like I said, I love hockey and football, so I love breaking both of them. But I think since becoming the hockey-only breaker, I've grown more in love with hockey than I have with football, but they're both still equally the same to me. Alrighty, Brandon, good luck, man. Couple cards right there. Got a Jack Eichel medal. That's a blank. And you got a Mike McCarron Hot Prospect Autos. Card number 128 of 299 for the Montreal Canadiens. Continue with this. You got Dylan Larkin, Fleer Ultra Rookies, 100 of 699. Matthias Janmark medal. Got a Joe Pavelski jersey, Fleer Showcase, San Jose Sharks. Jonas Donskoy medal. Alright. Let's finish off the stack. Ryan Johansson, Fleer Showcase. And we have a Nikolai Golovin. Nice. Hot Prospects. Rookie Auto Patch. 96 of 499. Nice three-color patch. And there you go. There's your patch autograph. Let's finish off the rest of this box. PK Subban. You got Oscar Lindbergh, rookie. And you have Hot Prospects Trios. 51 of 599. 51 out of 599. Sorry. Have another one. Another trios. 90 of 599. And there you go. Okay. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, blank. That's what it was. Alright. Well, there you go, man. That was that box right there. Let's go with the next box. In 16-17, the patch autographs have gotten really hard. I think that's what makes them very valuable. It looks like in 15-16 Fleer Showcase, it was 1 auto patch per box on average. And in Fleer Showcase, when I did breaks of this, the 12-box breaks, I usually got at least 1 per inner case, 2 if I were lucky. So if we can pull a patch autograph in this box, that's really nice. Yeah, let's get him a Matthews. There's this stack. Here's this stack. Good luck, man. Connor McDavid medal. And you have an autograph here. Lawson Krause. Hot Prospects Autos. 361 of 499. Shane Gostisbehere. And we have a second autograph for the Islanders. Nice. 19 of 499. Ryan Johansson, Red Glow. Braden Point Medal. Zach Ranford, or Sanford, 250 of 599. And nice, a Zach Rowinski autograph. Sweet. Card number 97 of 499. Nice, you got 3 autographs in this box, man. Hot box. Picked a good box right here. Nice, Zach Rowinski, good player. What are we supposed to get? We're supposed to get what? Grab 1 autograph card per box on average. So we've already gotten 3. We still have about almost half of the break to go. And look at that. We have a PMG as well. Connor Brown, Precious Metal Gem. 81 of 150. Nice. Picked a great box. Just haven't even finished the first stack. Dylan Strome, 165 of 599. Alright, let's finish off with this stack over here. Wayne Gretzky Flair Showcase. Planet Mantle Sidney Crosby. Jesse Puljujarvi, metal. Jonathan Drew in red glow. Provorov, rookie. You have a Brad Marchand EX. Scoring King Vladimir Tarasenko. Connor Brown rookie. And a 4th autograph, Sergei Tolchinsky. Nice. 185 of 499. And 2 base cards to end it off. Nice, man. This was a nice box. Look at that. 1 autograph, a PMG, and then 3 more autographs to follow. Well, there you go, Brandon. That was your 2-box personal break of 15-16 and 16-17 Fleer Showcase Hockey. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.